Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to capture HAR and console log files in Salesforce. This is an essential troubleshooting skill that helps you document technical issues so support teams can diagnose problems more effectively. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, navigate to your Salesforce Lightning page where you're experiencing the issue. This is important because you want to capture logs from the exact environment where the problem occurs. Once you're on that page, right-click anywhere on the screen and select Inspect from the menu that appears. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus I to open the Developer Tools quickly. Now that the Developer Tools panel is open, click on the Console tab. This is where you'll see all the browser's logging information, including errors and warnings that occur while you're using Salesforce. Look towards the most right corner of the Console tab and you'll see a gear icon. Click on it to access the console settings. In the Settings menu that appears, you'll need to enable a couple of important options. First, check the box next to Preserve Log. This ensures that your console logs won't disappear when the page refreshes, which is crucial for capturing the full sequence of events. Next, if you see an option for log XML HTTP requests, check that checkbox as well. This captures additional network communication details that can be valuable for troubleshooting. Next, click on the Network tab. This tab tracks all the network requests your browser makes while interacting with Salesforce. Just like you did in the Console tab, check the Preserve Log checkbox here too. This prevents the network logs from clearing when the page reloads. Before you reproduce the issue, click the Clear button, which looks like a circle with a line through it, located next to the record icon. This clears any existing logs so you start with a clean slate, making it easier to identify the specific logs related to your issue. Now comes the critical part. Reproduce the exact issue or steps that are causing the problem. Go through the same actions that trigger the error or unexpected behavior. The developer tools will capture everything happening in the background during this time. Once you've reproduced the issue, right-click anywhere in the console panel and select Save as from the menu. Save this file with a descriptive name. It will be saved as a .log file format. Finally, click back to the Network tab. Look for the Export icon on the upper left part of the Network panel. Click on it, give your HAR file a descriptive name, and save it to your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully captured both console log and HAR files from Salesforce, which you can now share with your support team or administrator for analysis. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.